This is an electric screwdriver that can rotate 90 degrees. With it, you can throw away ordinary screwdrivers. It can be used as both a screwdriver and a drill. Comes with 35 different types of drill bits. In addition to screwing screws, it can also drill small holes in wood, walls, and steel. It can also fold and rotate, allowing for easy switching based on the usage scenario. It can handle various repair work. Super powerful large capacity lithium battery, can be used for 72 hours on a single charge. The key price is still very cheap. Hurry up and buy it home to try it out.